Right, this is going to be a quick, straightforward tutorial on how to mine Ethereum using NiceHash's Legacy software. So if you are coming from mining with NiceHash using Legacy and now you want to mine Ethereum after the hack, this is the quickest way to get going, as we are only going to be using one file that we are going to place in the existing NiceHash Legacy folder. So as you can see here, I'm mining Ethereum over here, and the way that I did this was by going to my NiceHash Legacy folder. So I have it in C software, going to bin third party to claim or dual. We will not be dual mining. Maybe I'll make a tutorial little how-to on how to do that later. We're just going to be mining Ethereum, but we're going to use this software here. And we're going to create a new folder, a file. So we go right click new, text document, we're going to give it a name, go-EtherMine. EtherMine is the pool that we'll be connecting to, so I'm just going to call it that so I can find it in case I want to use other bat files for other pools. And that's all that we need to do there. We will now paste this code, which I'll leave in the description. All that you need to worry about is the second last line. Basically what it does here is it starts the exe, it's assigning the pool, so the European EtherMine, and over here this will need to be edited by you. If you don't edit this, then you will be mining for me. So you would want to put your Ethereum wallet public address here, which you can get from anywhere that you have your Ethereum wallet. And this last part here is just the name of the miner. If you have many miners, multiple ones, you may want to label them differently so that you can find them easily if you are troubleshooting. That's all that we need to do. We go here, file, save. We can close this now. We'll need to rename this so that we can run it as a bat file. So we'll change the txt to a bat. Batch. Yes, I want to change it. Now for ease of use, I'm going to just create a shortcut that I can place on the desktop. Right, now let's close our miner. Oh, it's decided to time out, but that's fine, we're closing that one anyway. And run this. Now sometimes it will need to be started again, but it's just the initial start that generally gives a problem. Once it's mining, it's mining. I've been running it for a few days and it hasn't cut out on me for any reason. So now it's starting Claymore, it's identified the GPUs, it's connected to the mining pool. We want to see values, there we go, in our hashing rate, so that's good. All of these GPUs are showing hashing rate, so now we're mining. Now, how do we see our mining stats? Well, what you'd need is you'd need your Ethereum wallet public address again, and you will need to go to ethermine.org. I'll put that also in the description. Just copy your Ethereum wallet address and search. And now we can see the stats here. I haven't been mining on this today. This was from yesterday, so they're not very up to date, but you can see how it would look. This will also not show you instantly your stats. You'll need to give it about 15 minutes of mining before this starts to show, and then about an hour to give you a good average and so that you can work out your profitability. So one thing that you may want to do is go to settings and change this minimum payout threshold. Since we are coming here after the NiceHash hack, I'm sure most of you feel the same way as I do. You don't want to leave your coins in the hands of a pool, so you'd want to probably make this the minimum, as I have over here, which is 0.05. And to save this, you'll need to get your IP address and put it here, your public IP address. And the easiest way to get that is just to Google my IP address, and it will show you your IP address. I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to give out my public IP address over the internet, but it is easy as that. And that's about it. So I may do other tutorials and walkthroughs on other miners like Mining Pool Hub and Awesome Miner, Win Miner, all of those in the near future, but it's just to get you guys going now. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.